Atong Ang is a Filipino businessman known for his significant involvement in the gaming and cockfighting industries. He is the chairman of Pitmasters Live and the owner of Lucky 8 Star Quest, a major online sabong cockfighting platform. Ang has been dubbed the illegal gambling lord and has claimed that his operations generate billions of pesos in monthly revenue. In 2001, Ang gained national attention when he became a co-accused in the impeachment trial of then-President Joseph Estrada. He was linked to a gambling turf war and the diversion of tobacco excise taxes. Ang fled to the United States but was later extradited and entered a plea bargain with the Philippine government. He pleaded guilty to a lesser charge of bribery and was sentenced to 6 years in prison. After serving his sentence, Ang returned to his business endeavors. Atong Ang is married to Iris Ang, and they have a daughter named Elaine Yu. Additionally, he has been reported to have a relationship with actress Sunshine Cruz, though details about this relationship are limited. Ang's personal life has occasionally intersected with his public persona, especially in the context of his business ventures and the controversies surrounding them. In October 2019, Ang found himself entangled in a widely publicized altercation within the Barretto family during the wake of Miguel Barretto, father of actress and socialite Gretchen Barretto, with whom Ang has reportedly been in a partnership since 2017. The incident, which took place in the presence of then-President Rodrigo Duterte, reportedly escalated into a confrontation between Gretchen and her sister Marjorie Barretto, prompting security personnel to intervene. Ang's career in the gambling industry began with his association with the Ultimate Fighting Cock Championship UFC, where he co-founded and financed cockfighting teams. His interest in cockfighting extended to online platforms, leading to the establishment of Lucky 8 Star Quest Inc., which operates the Pitmasters Live sabong games. These ventures have positioned Ang as a significant figure in the Philippine gambling sector. In 2025, Ang was implicated by whistleblower Julie Dondon Patadongan alias Totoy in the disappearance of over 100 cockfighting enthusiasts, known as sabungeros. Patadongan alleged that Ang masterminded the abductions, with supposed involvement from actress Gretchen Barretto and other associates. Ang has denied the allegations and filed a counter-affidavit before the Mandaluyong Regional Trial Court. He accused Patadongan and another former employee of extorting 3 million from him. Ang maintains that he is not involved in any criminal activities related to the missing sabungeros. Ang was born in Mandaluyong, a city in Metro Manila, Philippines. Details about his early life, including his parents and siblings, are not widely documented. Information regarding his educational background is also scarce, with no public records of his schooling or academic achievements. As such, his formative years remain largely private.
Welcome to the exciting world of 1,000 vlogs.